Lean red meat reduces the probability of erectile dysfunction. Consuming red meat in moderation is a great way to increase iron, protein, and zinc levels in the body. Wine is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and better skin. But wine is also good for stimulating arousal as it increases blood flow to the genitals, thereby heightening sexual arousal. Oysters are a popular aphrodisiac that helps boost libido in men by increasing testosterone levels. This seafood also contains zinc, which helps improve blood circulation. Chocolate contains a bunch of feel-good chemicals that release dopamine in the pleasure centers of the brain. The chemicals are said to induce feelings of excitement, attraction, and euphoria. Nuts contain arginine, which improves circulation and relaxes blood vessels. This amino acid found in almonds especially helps you to maintain an erection. Ginseng is an herb that improves sexual performance in men. It maintains a healthy hormonal balance and boosts immunity. Figs are fertility-boosting foods that are full of soluble and insoluble fiber. These delicious fruits are a treat for your senses. Good for heart health, figs are a great way to rev up your sexual stamina. Folic acid and vitamin B6 are both necessary for a healthy sex drive. Folic acid pumps the body with energy while vitamin B6 stabilizes the hormones. Drinking pomegranate juice can bring a notable surge in testosterone levels, which can boost libido in both men and women. This fruit has also been known to curb erectile dysfunction and regulate circulation. Spicy ingredients like peppers, especially like cayenne peppers, have considerable dosage of capsaicin, which causes an increased heart rate, sweating, and skin stimulation. The body's reaction to spicy foods are quite similar to sexual stimulation. Ashwvagandha is a traditional root that is used to treat infertility because it improves low sperm count and supports the endocrine system. Bananas are loaded with bromelain, which boosts one's libido and also fights impotence. Riboflavin and potassium also helps boost one's energy level. These seeds are rich in zinc and essential fatty acids, which play a vital role in maintaining a healthy reproductive system. Garlic has powerful aphrodisiac properties, which boost blood circulation and improve sexual performance. Avoid eating too much garlic though, since it also causes bad breath. Sweet potatoes have been a part of many fertility therapies and estrogen replacement therapies to boost one's sex drive. They are packed with potassium, which helps prevent high blood pressure, thereby reducing one's chances of any risk associated with erectile dysfunction. Omega-3 increases dopamine levels in the brain, which stimulates arousal. So heighten your sexual arousal by adding a portion of omega-3 rich fish to your diet. Apples contain phenethylamine, which makes you feel naturally excited and happy. Phenethylamine is the same ingredients present in chocolate, and it releases a feel-good chemical in the body. Apart from that, apples also contain quercetin, a flavonoid that helps prevent prostate cancer. The bark of this tree is used as a toothbrush as it promotes healthy teeth. The fruit of the meswak tree has aphrodisiac properties, and consuming it can also relieve digestive problems. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of energy. Consuming chia seeds is the best way to boost energy and sustain stamina. Hibiscus, or shoe flower, as it is popularly known, for treating ailments like headaches and the mumps, and is also a natural aphrodisiac. Nutmeg is a good home remedy that treats headaches, stomach ailments, and circulation problems. Nutmeg also has anti-inflammatory properties which improve blood flow to the genitals, thereby giving you a heightened sexual experience. Bite into slices of watermelon to increase stimulation, as watermelon helps relax the blood vessels. It also contains citrulline, which helps enhance your mood, so it is a great snack to eat before sex. This is another spice that is used in curries and desserts. Cinnamon is used for relief from common colds and cough. It is effective in treating toothache, muscle spasms, and skin diseases. Due to cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties, it can improve blood circulation, making it an effective aphrodisiac. Natural or raw milk that is not skimmed help boost fertility. Dairy products provide the necessary fats and calcium required for pregnancy. They also help women maintain a healthy ovulation cycle, but consume them in moderation to avoid unnecessary weight gain. Olive oil and coconut oil are healthy oils that improve fertility. These monounsaturated oils reduce inflammation and contain fats that are needed to produce hormones which are essential for fertility. Liver is a healthy source of different nutrients like vitamin D, zinc, selenium, iron, folic acid, B12, and CoQ10. The thought of consuming animal liver may be repulsive to some, but liver is a prized organ that caters to several of our bodily needs. One of the best ways to consume ginger is to mix it with lime juice. A ginger lemon mocktail improves the body's circulation and encourages blood flow to the genitals. Ginger also helps increase one's libido. This is a well-known herb that is used to increase blood circulation to the erectile tissue. Yohimbe widens the blood vessels and lowers blood pressure, which boosts circulation to the sexual organs and improves reflexes. Yohimbe also helps you achieve a strong, firm erection. Zinc is responsible for levels of testosterone and semen in the male body. It is important to include food rich in zinc like dried squash, seeds, crabs, and peanuts in your diet. Ginkgo leaves supplements help boost sexual drives in both males and females. Flaxseed oils is a rich source of omega fatty acids which help improve sperm quality. It also increases blood flow, which further alleviates impotence. Guavas are also considered to be fertility food as they are rich in folate.
Hey fam! What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.